Hello dear students, today is the second part of miscellaneous exercise. This is lesson number 6 of quadratics. We will further solve some questions which will help us to get familiar with exam based questions. Question number 1 is find the value of k for which 4x square plus 4 times k minus 2 into x plus k is equal to 0. This quadratic equation has equal roots. So what we have to do for equal roots, if we recall, the discriminant of the quadratic equation must be equal to 0. In this case, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 times k minus 2 and c is equal to k. The discriminant b square minus 4ac must be equal to 0. That means 4 times k minus 2 square minus 4 into a into c is equal to 0, which implies 16 times k square minus 4k plus 4 minus 16k is equal to 0. Dividing this equation by 16, k square minus 4k plus 4 minus k is equal to 0, which will be reduced to k square minus 5k plus 4 is equal to 0. This is again a quadratic equation. Now we have to find the values of k for which this equation is 0. So we will solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Minus 5k will be minus 4k minus k. Taking out k out of first two terms and minus 1 out of next two terms. This is 4 over here. So we get two factors, k minus 1 into k minus 4, which gave us k is equal to 1 and 4. So these are two values of k for which the original equation will have equal roots. So this was the first question. Second question is again testing the concept about the roots nature. This is the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus k minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to k minus 4, and you can see that equation is to have two different roots for which the discriminant b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. That is minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c is k minus 4 is positive. 25 minus 8k plus 32 is greater than 0. 57 minus 8k is greater than 0. We will simplify this inequality. 57 is greater than 8k or k is less than 57 over 8, k is less than 7 whole 1 by 8 or k is less than 7.125. So this is our second question of today's lesson. In the first question, we were given that the equation had two different real roots. In the second question, the equation had two equal roots. And in this question, it is given that this quadratic equation has no real roots. So we have to again find the value of k. What is a over here? Yes, a is 3. And what is b? B is 5. And what is c? C is equal to k plus 1. For the equation to have no real root, discriminant which is b square minus 4ac must be equal to a negative number, is less than 0. B square means 25 minus 4 into a into c is less than 0. 25 minus 12k minus 12 is less than 0. 13 minus 12k is less than 0. 12k is greater than 13. K is greater than 13 by 12, which is equal to 1 whole 1 by 12. This is our value of k. Set of all values of k which are greater than this number will generate an equation which will have no real roots. Let us move to our new question. Find the value of k for which this line and this curve are tangent to each other. Remember the second lesson in which we solved a linear equation and a quadratic equation simultaneously. This is the linear equation and this is the quadratic polynomial. So from here we will put the value of y to solve it. Zero is equal to x square plus 4x plus 2 minus k. Now this is a quadratic equation, k is unknown. It will generate two roots if its discriminant is positive. It will generate only one root if its discriminant is 0, and it will generate no root if discriminant is negative. Since this line is to be tangent to this curve, so there should be only one solution from this quadratic equation. For that, the discriminant is equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b over here? 4. 4 square minus 4 into a, c is 2 minus k is equal to 0. 16 minus 8k minus 8, 16 minus 8 plus 4k is equal to 0. 8 plus 4k is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 2. So this is the value of k for which the given line will become tangent to the curve. I hope it is clear. For the next question, we have to find the values of k for which this given line intersects the curve at two different points. Same like previous question, we will take the value of y, kx minus 1, and put it in the equation y is equal to x square minus 2x. That is kx minus 1 is equal to x square minus 2x. Rearranging, we will get x square minus 2x minus kx plus 1, or 0 is equal to x square minus 2 plus k times x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this line will intersect the curve at two different points if this quadratic equation will give us two different values of x. For that, the discriminant b square minus 4ac must be greater than or equal to 0. That is minus 2 plus k its square minus 4 times a into c is greater than 0. This is 4 plus k square plus 4k minus 4 is greater than 0. K square plus 4k is greater than 0. Now we have come across another quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation is to be positive. And remember, the coefficient of k square is positive, so this equation will have a graph like this. This will be positive beyond its roots. So we will find its roots. By factorization, I will find its root are 2 and minus 4. So 0 and minus 4, sorry. So this will be positive before 0 and after minus 4. So k is either less than 0 or k is greater than minus 4. So there are, the smaller root is minus 4. So k is either less than minus 4 or k is greater than 0. So these are possible values of k for which this given line will intersect this quadratic polynomial at two different points. Next question, we have to find the value of k for which this line does not even touch this. Similarly, we will solve this linear equation. Y plus 2x is equal to k is the linear equation. Xy is equal to 8 is quadratic. From here, we will get value of y is equal to k minus 2x and put over here x into k minus 2x is equal to 8 kx minus 2x square is equal to 8. 0 is equal to 2x square minus kx plus 8. A is 2, B is minus k and C is equal to 8. Now, discriminant of this equation must be does not intersect. It means this discriminant must be less than 0. That is b square minus 4ac is less than 0 minus k square minus 4 into a into c is less than 0. K square minus 64 is less than 0. K square is less than 64. It means k is between minus 8 and 8. I hope it is clear. Up till now, we have solved 6 questions. 3 were very straightforward, in which he gave equation and asked about the value of unknown constant by giving the nature of roots. In the first one, the roots were equal. In the second one, the roots were different but real. And in the third one, there were no real root. In the next 3 questions, same concept was tested in a different style. So dear student, this was lesson number 6. In lesson number 5 and 6, we solved some miscellaneous exercises regarding quadratics of AS levels. And now we are prepared to move to past year questions. In upcoming lesson, inshallah, we will solve some selected past year questions for you. Please do subscribe this channel so that you are timely intimated about the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.